Okay, first ride. We're going on the Navi River Cruise.
Oh, I know. What'd you think of Pandora?
Pandora, I did like Flight of Passage. It was pretty awesome. Same with the Navi River area. That one was pretty cool too.
Definitely go on that. It's the best river cruise that I've ever seen. That was amazing. What'd you think, Elijah?
Yeah, that was really cool.
That was way cool. Heck yeah, and the animatronics.
Yeah.
That was so awesome. Isaac, what'd you think, dude? That was awesome, huh? What'd mommy think? That was amazing.
It was so good. I love
Yeah.
that. I love how it's so immersive an environment. Oh,
Yeah.
it was so good.
That was so cool. Very, very cool.